goes into the river.
Hi everyone, today we are at Newmillerdam. If the doll goes into the river, the ducks will play with it because we won't be able to get it back. We've just had some lovely lunch and we're going to have a walk around now, aren't we? And we've got 2 lovely bags of
Nuts.
walnuts. Last time we were here, the crows were spotting us, trying to see what food we've got, weren't they? So this time we've brought some nuts for them as well. And for the ducks, she says, but I'm not sure the ducks will have them. Last time we came, actually, you can eat in this little cafe thing. What? Oh, have you spotted one on her nest? Good spotting, Erica. They're coots. She's on a nest. She just said to me there's another nest down there, and I said, oh, it'll be from floods. It's just sticks from the floods, but she's right. Erica, that's so good spotting. She's keeping the eggs warm and safe. She's keeping them safe. We've been talking about other birds and ducks pinching eggs, haven't we? Because we found an eggshell yesterday.
With blood in.
Oh, we're all right though, Erica. The chick weren't injured. It would just come out of its shell. She's having a good look around. She's a good mum, isn't she? Or it may be her dad that looks after the eggs. I'm not sure, but usually it's the mum.
And maybe the mum somewhere out there collecting them.
Yeah. Oh, she's making a clicking noise to us now. Do you think that's the warning? I think she's saying, come back.
Dogs.
Oh, is it? Can you see the flat part on their head, on the coot's head?
Yes.
I wonder what that's for. We'll have to research that, eh?
I know what it is.
What?
So when a predator comes...
She's moving the sticks on the
like
nest.
a small predator what lives in the water.
Yeah?
They use it to bash against them, the hard flat bit like this.
Oh, when they're arguing. Look, she's trying to move that stick. That was too big for her. She's trying to move the stick because that's where the wind's getting her. She wants it to move to the other side so it keeps her nice and warm. She's having a little wriggle. Will we get a sneak peek of the eggs? No. Erica, you're so good at spotting birds and stuff, aren't you? Ooh, 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 she's a good mum. It won't zoom in anymore, unfortunately. How many eggs do you think she's got under there?
I saw 5. 5 eggs.
5? Well, she's looking after them. The doll nearly ended up in the dam then. That's the dam inn that we ate at. Look at that for a lovely pub. Little ice cream van there, so she's going to be there till 7 o'clock tonight. Plenty of parking. And we love this beautiful forest. It goes all the way around the lake and back round this way. Then even at back here, there's still another forest. Oh, can you see her moving her twigs and sticks, trying to get herself comfortable? She's a good mum.
Believe.
Oh, you can't believe. Oh, you can just see the eggs. Can't zoom in anymore though.
I can't believe I've spotted a real bird.
You're right, so it is shallow enough, and look at it all, what they've made. All of those piles of sticks ready for her. We've just been chatting to a little family about... Erica's doing the duck call, she says. We've been chatting to a little family about them, and he says, oh, it's April, early for April, he said, to be looking after eggs. Isn't it? It's early for April. Oh, look at what that dog that is, Erica. That's a basset hound. What we've just seen on the cards. I asked the cards to show me. We've got a pack of Top Trumps dogs cards, and I said to them, show me what dog we want. And it came out with a basset hound, didn't it? Oh, look. She's got more than 5. Gosh. I wish I could zoom in more.
I'm sorry about stopping with like this.
I'm not bothered, it's lovely, isn't it?
I think it might show.
So she's making herself more protected now, look. Making the eggs more protected. She thinks so.
You know why she doesn't want into the water? Then the eggs don't stink, and when they hatch, the chicks are not drowned.
Yeah, so she's gonna build it up.
Yes, like that.
See the reflection of the clouds in the water? Well, she definitely heard you. Think she might have a little sleep. Hmm?
I think that's a deal. Her eyes are right here.
Are they?
Her eyes are right here.
Are they? On the side of her beak?
Like the beak is here and it's right here.
She's a good mum. They can twist all the way around. Look, did you see that? Her neck turned all the way around.
That's creepy.
That's what animals do so they can look out for predators. So we're going to go and walk down here now. I'm going to walk further down around the dam, into the woods, around, and hopefully the crows spotted us here last time. We can sit on the banks while it's nice and feed the crows. Such an old place, this. Beautiful. Let's leave her in peace then she can relax. There's some nice little restaurants up here. There's like a little coffee shop, a couple of pubs. Oh, it says coming soon. What's that? What's that says coming soon? Let's have a look.
I can't believe I've just spotted a bird's nest.
Oh, restaurant.
I can't believe I've spotted a bird.
Restaurant and home dining. A bird's nest. I know, you're amazing. You didn't need your binoculars on either, did you? You've got them, but you didn't need to use them.
I can't believe I've just spotted a real bird.
Oh, Capri, the new Capri. So it says the home of the new Capri. Well, Capri is up near Go Outdoors, and I've been in there. It's lovely little Italians. That's nice that they've got that. Then there's another pub up here, restaurant, coffee place, and then there's San Pierre further up, which is the hotel. Oh, hello. We've not got any, sorry. We've got the nuts, but we're not going to feed them from here because we'll drop things in.
They won't look.
What? You think we're feeding them?
Yes, come on, they've got that, so let's give it.
Why you want to? I don't know if ducks like walnuts, Erica.
Let's see.
So we've just thrown some bits of walnuts out and they've just hopped out of the water. Is this one going to hop out? Do they like them? They're not used to nuts. Sorry, that's all we've got. We haven't got any seed and we didn't want to give you bread, so we thought we'd bring the nuts. Because if the birds don't eat them, we know the squirrels will. You said, haven't you got out else? Right, that's floated in the water. See if the other one gets it.
They let me.
Oh, they're not bothered. Not bothered about that one. What do you think about that? So who's going to get all of them?
Seagulls.
No? The
Squirrels.
well, squirrels probably and crows. Oh look, it's come back to have a try. Oh, that one's trying it now, look.
Seagulls are coming.
Even though they're unsure, he had a little try.
Seagulls are coming.
Yeah, they're going to have a try. He's saying, go away. Oh, he is as well. He's protected his area. It's my food. So do you like it then or what? Let's have a look.
I can't believe I've spotted a real life bird egg nest.
Yeah, they're eating it, Erica, even though they were unsure.
I'm going to quickly run back down to the
Sorry, mate, you'll have to jump out like you did before. was Bennett water for you. There, next to you if you have a look. So they're both out. Yeah, is he eating them? Yeah, he's going his mouth. Go away, it's mine. It's mine. Step back off here then, please. Erica said, oh, it's only shallow. I still don't want you in.
There's a piece right there.
Yeah, they'll eat it. Bless you. Bless you. Shall we go and spot some crows then?
Cool. Who do you think I am?
Bird spotter. You're an excellent bird spotter.
Eyes, watch, learn, advice.
She's an excellent bird spotter, aren't you?
Let me see something for you.
What can you see? Erica's got a lovely straw hat and we keep leaving it in the house.
I can see an over nest there or a baby chick
Can you?
over there.
There are nests, you're right.
But that one what we just showed you is a real live nest.
Is it? So that one's the Bewley Cafe. Erica, step down please. What kind of dog is he?
It's a Bedlington.
Bedlington. We've got Top Trump's dogs.
Top trumps for dogs.
And we've just that one's not on there, is it, Erica?
You don't get many of them, so.
That must be rare. That's a high number. That one. What did you say? Bedlington.
Yeah, Bedlington Terrier. Yeah.
Oh, it's a terrier. You've seen a terrier on the cards, haven't you? Yeah. Oh, hello. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Oh.
Come on then.
Thank you. See ya.
I'm going to show every dog what I say.
Are you?
Yes, of course I am.
If the owner lets you.
Yes, of course.
Because we always ask permission, don't we?
I'm holding it like this. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Well,
That's all the thing about coming down here. Everything's double yellow lines. Don't know. Everything's double yellow lines, so you can only park in there or behind me. It costs £1 at that pub. At the Dam Inn, it costs £1 to park for 2 hours, and they give you £1 back off your meal, so that's good.
Whoa.
So this is the dam bit, isn't it?
Bird.
Oh, there is a dead bird. You're right.
We need to clear that out.
Yeah, the animals will get it. It's wildlife. Oh, look, one of them's having a wash up there. 1, 2.
Mummy, we need to help it.
We can't help it, darling. That's nature. Something will have happened, and the park keeper will sort it out when he sees it. Okay?
There's a nest there.
Yeah.
I think I know what might have happened. When the floods came, a tree might have fell down and hit the bird.
Oh, I'm trying to zoom out, but it's not letting me. Oh, there we go. Look, they're washing the feathers, look.
Yes, but
Erica, you can say a prayer for the bird, but there's nothing we can...
still very upset it's a dead bird.
I know, that's nature, isn't it?
There's a bath in the bird.
Hmm?
I have a bath in there.
A bath?
Yes.
No. Fully underground, that. Deep underground. Underground to a deep pool of water underneath here, probably.
Look, there's a duck there.
Yeah, he's following us because he knows we've got food. Oh! Erica's spotted it, wants to have a bath. Cleaning his feathers. Do you think he's a happy duck?
That is not a duck. That is a seagull.
It's a mallard, drake and mallard.
Look, like that white duck.
Yeah, that's a duck. This is La Forteza. La Forteza. think it's trying to zoom out for you. My thing has gone. There we go, back on it. Look at that for a building. Where's the cross up there? I think it's Yorkshire Rose, is it?
Feeding red over there, and the ducks are eating maybe. Could we give them some nuts?
No, because they're little ones, aren't they? I think if they have them, they might choke. We're gonna.
I've got a cook in my hand. Hold this, please.
Oh, that one's having a lovely bath.
They like it. They like it.
Get them feathers clean. They do like it.
They actually like it.
Yeah.
Well, one duck does.
I don't know what it is about weirs and dams. They're quite scary.
Yeah.
They give me the chills. I don't know why. That's enough then, Erica. Do they like them?
Trying to get it.
So what on earth have you given me here?
What happens if the ducks go down that drain?
They won't. They know not to. The ducks will be able to sense the danger.
Then sting.
Yeah. It's a full place. Can you stop grabbing out of my pocket while I'm walking, please? There's only a few ducks. You don't need to draw any more in. Although that's really kind. It is kind. Oh, this is full. Black waters are.
That's can I can stroke.
You can stroke. One's a. Oh, I don't know. So that's the other car park, and you can come out and walk up a path there. Where they've gone, there's quite a steep path up that way. But we're walking this way because it's easier and shorter. What are you looking for, Nests?
I think it might have flooded because I can't see it.
It did flood. It did. The path?
No, the net.
Oh, the nest, what you saw. It might have blown away, eh?
Whoa, that have definitely flooded.
Yeah. Is this a greyhound?
Yeah, similar.
We've got top trumps with a load of dogs on, so she's trying to spot them as we're walking around. It's ready for going in car, I think, Erica. I don't think it wanted to stroke that one. Look at the knots on this tree. They say the fairies live in these, and the goblins create them. God, look at them. Wow. Look at the life. Look at the green shoot coming out of that, the life in middle of the tree. She's not bothered, but I am. Oh. I connected to the tree energy yesterday. I went half swaying and I did not have a drink. Look at the green shoots, Erica. Okay, look at the fresh shoots coming off here.
Wow, I think something's going on out there.
Why? Probably just feeding ducks. Look at that one. I bet the goblins live in that and the fairies.
That's what I showed you.
Wow. Rotten from the inside out, that one. That's why I've got his wellies on. A welly walk. Welly walk today. Evidence of the recent flood. But I'm glad to see all the greenery coming back. Got nuts on them ones. Again, some green shoots. That's good, sign of life coming back. Wow, look at the nut on that one, Erica. The knuckles.
Whoa.
Where is it? There.
Can I give some nuts to the ducks? There's ducks there.
Wow. We're going to wait until they get further round. I know, and there's lots of people as well. We're going to get further round. Danger, open water. Danger, thin ice, deep water. Oh, Erica, we don't need to. The squirrels already spotted us. Look. Get some out of my pocket. I think it might have heard the rattle. Throw some his way and it might come.
I'm trying to get some out.
It can hear, it can see and it can hear. Ooh.
Robin,
amazing that the robin came as well.
Another robin.
Where on earth was that robin from?
I don't know, but give
Where
me
was it from?
I don't know, but Mummy, give me the bag.
Just gentle, don't throw the whole lot down because they might run away in a minute when the other people come. Oh, there is a robin on this branch here. I don't know if you can see it. Look. It's camouflage. There.
I can see a robin's nest.
Can you? Oh, there's another squirrel, another robin. Oh, we've got some wonderful wildlife here. 2 squirrels and 2 robins. About throwing at the back. Oh, look at that robin up there. Can you see it on the branch? The top of my screen. Stop! If you go closer, they might get scared. Erica's not bothered with squirrels. She's just gone straight up. That's so brave, Erica. She's saying, forget the ducks. Yeah, if you go close to it, hold it out. Oh, it's moved away to a different branch, Erica. I got a little bit scared. It's not used to a human wanting to feed it. Can you see it? On there. It's still there. Just here, look. Go gentle. Just hold it out and just stop still. We've fed robins before, so I think that's what she's wondering, if it's going to be... Oh, it might be a baby. Its mum's calling him. Its mum's saying, what are you doing over there?
Yeah, we'll get it up when we get home on the computer.
We'll just tell you a tree.
Oh, it's coming back now, look. It's coming back.
Oh, it's funny!
Oh, up a tree!
Are you scared?
Oh, people are getting a bit excited that we've attracted the real wildlife. I think some people might have had a drink. Erica's trying to find the squirrel. They've gone, Erica, because of the noise. Let's go further round. The robin's hopping in the hedges. He's peeking out. The squirrel's run up the tree. Erica, look up the tree. It knows you've got the nuts. Yeah, he'll come back down in a minute. The robins come on the floor. Just stay where you are a minute. Oh, it's eating one. The robin's having a nibble. Eric will come back in shot in a minute. Oh, he's backed off a little bit. He had a little nibble there. Can you see him sat on the branch?
No.
He's just come on the lowest branch there. He's just come for a nibble of the nuts. Stop there, there. There you go, look. It's still saying low to the ground because it likes them nuts.
And there's the squirrel.
Yeah, it was cheaper to get walnuts, you're right. And they've really enjoyed them. Right, we've fed these. Let's leave them to it. Well, keep that packet. Good job, I've got another packet into it.
I think they will like that. I think that's their home. You know where I can see a squirrel right there.
He keeps peeking around that branch. I can't catch him enough. No, can't see him. Is he going to come back down? Ah. Stop where you are. The other one's coming now. Oh, he's trying to protect his area, that's why. The two different families. He keeps... Stop where you are.
His nuts right.
They're that quick I can't film him. They go up in a spiral, Erica, when they climb up the tree. Why do you think that is?
Because if a predator comes.
Yeah, if a predator comes, if you go into a straight line, the predator would catch him, wouldn't it? But because they go twisty in a spiral, spinning beings. Oh, I've just seen Robin go past again. Erica, here. Can I have one, please? Thank you. See if it comes and gets it. there, left of my screen, top left, where Erica's. Oh, he's hiding just on there.
That's not who I'm aware.
Oh. Just going to stop a minute until we get further around. It's a bit busy. I ain't got very far as Erica's enjoying looking. Oh, someone tied it to a tree. Yeah. Somebody must have lost it, eh? Take it on this one. Erica, that's a Labrador. Erica, take it on this branch. Look at this shoot. It's greenery coming through, eh? Looks like mint, you know. They look like mint leaves. Don't try it, just in case. We haven't even got into the forest yet, have we? And all this lovely wildlife. If you pick one of these nuts... Can you?
Poo there, poo there.
Is that evidence?
That's squirrel poo.
No idea what squirrel poo looks like. No idea.
Ow!
Right, yeah, you can use your binoculars to look for the birds now. Can you put this on, please? Oh, I can hear the beautiful birds singing away.
Someone can actually see it.
Eh? Oh, there's a dog here, look. This one's that basset hound, Erica. Erica, basset hound. Erica, that's the basset hound. Or is it a beagle, this one? Might be a beagle. Oh. You can smell them nuts, I think. Think you can smell them nuts? Eh? You can smell your nuts, what you've put down. Erica, watch out. Sorry, love. Dad just rescued a kid. He went under there to hide. He didn't know what water was there. Typical Yorkshireman style. He says, you'll know about it if you end up in water because you're going in the pub wet. No going home. He wants his pint, that Dad. See, we've not walked very far yet, and look at all the wonderful creatures that we've seen. We don't come here often because can't get parked up. You have to pay for parking, which I disagree with. We're a beautiful piece of our history.
That one looks
But
unstable.
it looks unstable. Oh.
So, yeah, we're not going to one. But I can't believe,
Feel the loving energy of the
I
trees.
can't believe I've seen 3 robins.
Ah, yeah, and I've seen my favourite daffodils.
I've just seen 3 robins and 2 squirrels. That's 5 creatures.
Yeah, and a coot.
That's 6,
And a load of ducks. Oh,
7,
flood.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
There's still remains of the flood here, look.
So, Mum, can we go down?
No, because it's all swamp. That's what you call a swamp.
I can see the squirrel.
Can you?
Just went up the tree.
You've got excellent eyes. They'll be collecting all them nuts you've left for them. That's really kind.
What's the robin? Ew, dog poo.
Well, as I said to Erica, if dog poo's left there, contrary to popular belief, if dog poo's left there, the animals in the forest will scavenge it.
The whole thing.
Oh, I just tripped over an invisible rock.
What?
Well, I can't remember a fence being here last time I came. Must have had to stop vehicles coming in. It's quite sparse, all the spring flowers are not come out yet.
No, can you hold this now?
Do one of 50 things here today.
Where's my doll?
In my pocket. Wait, your dolly's not in my pocket. It's in your hood.
Can you take it out?
So it says, Wakefield Wellbeing. Do one of 50 things here today. Wellbeing walk, that's what it is. well-being walk. You getting your doll?
You are putting it in your pocket. I am not.
Just spotted a little map. You are here. Oh, there we go. So there is quite a lot of greenery. To Walton, that's to Walton Woods, and to the golf course. Oh, I didn't know there were any toilets up here. Oh no, we're here. We're going to walk around this bit. That's it, yeah. And then you can walk all the way. Sometimes this bridge is open, sometimes not. And then back. That's it, yeah.
That's okay because a lot of dogs have jumped up to me.
Oh, I've done.
Oh.
She's a cat.
Oh, you're a cat today. Erica, you having a stroke with a doggy? What kind of doggy is she?
She's a cockapoo.
A cockapoo. Oh, hello. Is this your doggy?
Yeah.
Oh, she's lovely.
She likes lots and
Jumped a
lots
bit,
of
so
attention.
We just seen 2 squirrels and 3 robins.
Yeah, down there. Look
And
down
something
there.
else, so that's 6 animals.
Oh, wow.
Next to the car, next to car park, last lot of trees next to car park. There's some robins and squirrels. She's thrown some walnuts down.
Oh, there we go.
What has she done to her face?
She's got
Made
paint
herself
on
into a cat, and then she's like, oh, she made herself into a cat.
and tried to smudge it off. Yeah.
Don't talk about it. Oh,
It's good to dress up. Erica loves dressing up, doesn't you, Erica?
yeah.
She loves dressing up and putting face paint on. So we're in your club. We love it.
She might want to take a cat later.
Everyone.
I'm not going to open the nuts here because we've just done that.
Have you came from that way?
Yeah, went that way.
Okay, saw something.
Yeah, she face painted her face, but she was a bit embarrassed, so she didn't want to talk about it.
Why was she embarrassed?
Because she said people were looking at her. You know, like you, when you dress up sometimes, and you say, why are they looking at me? And I say, it's because you dressed up.
That's okay.
It is okay. Leave them. That's a drake and a mallard together. Drake and a mallard. I can't remember which one's which though. Careful.
But ducks can fly.
Ducks can fly. Some ducks, yeah. Look at those rain clouds up there. Might pick up pace a bit. I said to Erica I need to get doing some more exercise. Burning things off, moving a bit quicker, building up a sweat. That's what we need. I'll walk quicker, she'll have to follow me. Erica, please, can you come up this way? I want to get going to the other side to feed these crows. Last time, there's a few that spot us. Oh, this is that cafe building. Can't remember what you call it. Boathouse.
I've just seen a duck doing
It were hissing, that means go away, I've got a nest here.
really.
Yeah.
Like I came over and the duck said,
Yeah. Oh, it's like half of the building's been buried, isn't it? It's like a mud flood with water.